Hello, my name is Michael. I'm responsible for the digital vehicle dynamics integration. That means we are simulating all vehicle dynamics relevant effects and design that in the early concept stage. We are here in Falterbach. We see the DIM 250 right in my back. That's the state-of-the-art simulator for vehicle dynamics to get the real-life feelings for our digital world. On top of the base plate, we got the hexapod that enables us to move the whole cell up to 35 meters per square second and 3,500 degrees per square second. And we got like a 9-meter screen with 4K barcode beamers, 5 of them, to produce a very accurate and fluent picture. On the simulator, we can reproduce pretty much every situation of real life driving, coming from driving around on town, on motorways, on rural roads. And as well, obviously, we go to the Nordschleife or the Hockenheimring where we can test the cars to the limit. During a test, we got the measurement data where we can have a look at G's and how the car responds to the driver. The specialty about the Project ONE cell we see here is we got like torque force feedback, torque machine, the full braking system from pedal to brake pads. Today we got Maro Engel coming around. He won the 24 hours race at the Nürburgring in 2016, so he knows his way exactly around the Nürburgring. With a race driver, you got really reproductive driving, so you can constantly go into the same direction and same spots and analyze changes pretty exactly. They are used to drive these kind of performances, so they give you direct feedback and precise feedback.
Die Beschleunigung ist natürlich schon mega.
Sitting in the car feels amazing. I mean, it's such an amazing project, and when you pull away in the simulator, you feel straight away, you know, the huge power, very high precision. The car is really all about performance, and you can feel that, and it puts a smile on your face. Coming down Döttinger Höhe at 350 kilometers an hour is incredible. It's so fast, so quick, and still so stable at the same time, but it's obviously a lot quicker than when I'm racing my AMG GT3 down there. We're talking almost 75 kilometers an hour difference. It's really impressive. It's a project that's never been done before, running a Formula One powertrain in a road car. From what I've seen today, I'm really happy because we made a good step.